What is up everybody, welcome to GysticTutorials. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to change the color of an object in Photoshop. Let's get into it. Okay, so you want to open up your picture in Photoshop. I tried to choose like the most colorful picture, so to show you guys it does work. You can change the color of anything inside a picture no matter how detailed the picture or whatever. Okay, so first of all what you want to do is unlock the background if it is locked. Otherwise you won't be able to do anything on the picture. Okay, then you want to go to the quick selection tool. Okay, so once you've unlocked the layer, what you want to do is go to your quick selection tool, which is the fourth thing down, or press W on your keyboard and then it will pop up. So it is this one right here, the brush with the little dotted oval, sorry, it's not a circle. You can use the brackets on your keyboard to adjust the size of it. So depending on the size of your object, pick a size. So mine's about this size. I'm going to change the color of this lemon. So what I'm going to do is just left click. And there we go. So now that it's selected, we want to go to Image, Adjustments. And then right here, we're going to go to Hue and Saturation. Let's get that out of the way. And now we can adjust the color of the lemon. Saturation is how bright the colors are. So we're going to make it a little less dull. A little dull. And now the lemon has turned red. So actually we're going to leave it as orange. And you can also adjust how light the color is. You can make it completely dark or completely white. So we're just going to leave that on 0. After you've decided the color that you want, just press OK. And then right click, deselect. And then your object has changed color. So if you don't want to adjust the whole color, you can also change, you can go to the color balance section. So now this red plum is a purple plum. So yeah, so that is how to change an object's color in Photoshop. So if this video did help you, please hit that like button, and if you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button as well. If you had any troubles with this video or you didn't understand anything, just leave a comment down below and I'll be glad to help out. That is it from everybody. Have a wonderful day and peace out.